Hello guys, today I will show you a payment proof of our game that's explained in the other video, in the last video. This is our game like explained. You get free NFT hair. You upgrade your NFT hair from this worker. You buy worker hair. For each one it costs some coins. You buy worker, you have 45 worker hair. You have minus, you buy with your coins. Also tools, you buy with your coins. Also cards, you buy with your own coins. We return. This is mine one. Like you see, I have 4 mine. If we spell like that, we get to other mine. For you, it will be in mine one. If you don't register, you must register in the application, and you click in upgrade. You get some coins for the first. You do these tasks. You buy worker, you buy minus, you buy tools, and repeat that and get the maximum worker for you. How to get coins for the first time? You go to daily rewards. You do some rewards here. You get these rewards for Twitter and TikTok and YouTube. You just make this simple task and get coins. Also, there is game. They disable Halloween game. They have more and less. You can choose if this is high or less. It's for 10,000. You play for I lose. If for 1,000 you choose. I don't have enough coins now. You collect daily. For each mine you do this like that. You collect your minus daily. And if you are new, you open your first character in clicking develop, and you upgrade. After that you can click here. If you have enough coins, you choose mine 3 and you do upgrade this here, and you do for all minus. For mine 5 you must have 5 million to unlock. You must get 5 million here. There is expedition. Expedition is the harvest. You can buy harvest. For every harvest you buy for 10,000 coin. Like you see, I already buy this harvest. There is one for 16 minutes, for 4 hours, for 2 hours. There is for 24 hours and 72 hours. This will collect for you with income daily. If you go to other, here you can exchange your mined coin. 1 million is equal to 2 ton. There is bounty program. You can make in videos or make post in Facebook or TikTok or Instagram to explain Goblin game, like shown below. This is I get paid for 1 ton. Now I make a live withdraw. We go to our balance and we click in maximum. Now I have 1 ton. I will show you we withdraw funds, and the review will take some time to get paid. Like you see, it's live withdraw. I will return when it's paid. Now, after a while of time, I will show you my withdraw. Go to our balance. Like you see, it's paid here, 1 ton. I get 1 ton. Let's see my wallet. I will show you my wallet. I have received today. Just 1 seconds. You will see payment. This is my last payment for 1 ton today, like shown below. You see that I received it today. Our link will be in the description. Don't forget subscribe to my channel and share the video. See you another mining video.